Welcome to Payroll Setup Lesson number 3 on setting up the job types for payroll. As we come into payroll, we can see any job types that have already been set up in the job types tab for payroll. Now let's talk about job types, because you may or may not need to use this feature, but I highly recommend it. With the system comes a brief list of an example of job types that is commonly used throughout the industry. Now what I've done is I've related each job type to a department that has been previously set up in my general ledger chart of accounts. Now what this allows you to do is break out your costs of your payroll to the different departments. So as hours are entered against your commercial job type, for example, when the payroll program is processing a pay run, it will break out the cost for your commercial to this department in the general ledger, and all the way down the list here. Now to set up a new job type, you just simply go up to Setup on the menu bar and set up job types. So this is a list of the existing job types that you already have set up in here. If you wanted to edit one, you can simply double click on it. It brings the information down to the entry edit fields where you can press enter through them, making any change that you want to. And then you can resave that record. But if you want to enter a new job type, you simply click the new button, and then you can either access a previously set up table that's being used on the job cost and sales side of things, or you can just simply type in your 2-character job type that's going to be used by the program. And then you can even put in a brief description of what that is. And as you hit enter, what Cobra will do is bring you to your GL departments drop down, where you can select the particular department for the new job type that you're entering in here. As I press enter on the department, the save button is highlighted, so I don't have to pick up my mouse and click save. I can just hit my enter button. And then you see that the new department is added up here. So again, the purpose of job types in payroll is to break out your costs of your payroll labor to the different departments so that you can start getting analysis of the costs of the different areas of your business in terms of the labor. This ends the lesson on setting up job types in the payroll program.